It's a new 2018 Mazda 3 5-door. Engaging, exhilarating, the Mazda 3 exceeds expectations every day, every drive. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, power sliding sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book calls it exceptionally stylish and fun from day one. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Mazda, a MileOne company, is conveniently located at 4372 Holland Road in Virginia Beach.